How to reset or recover Messenger account password in 2 minutes. If you've forgotten your Messenger password and need to reset it quickly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover or reset your Messenger account password in under 2 minutes. So let's jump straight into it. First things first, open the Messenger app or go to the Messenger website if you're on your computer. On the login screen, if you can't remember your password, look for the forgot password link. Just tap on that to begin the password recovery process. Now, you'll be asked to enter the email address or phone number associated with your account. Simply enter it. After you've done that, simply click on continue. Now, check your email or text message for a recovery link or code. Messenger will send you a password reset link to the email or phone number you entered. Or you can simply go to the code to Messenger. You can simply tap on whichever you prefer. Let's say try another one. And you can choose whether you want to get code or link via email or get code via Facebook notification. Choose whichever you prefer. You can also enter password to log in. After you've done that, simply tap on continue, and that's how you quickly reset or recover your Messenger password in just a couple of minutes.